So let us explore some more features of Google Docs. One of the features of this Google Docs is that you can download it in 7 formats. You can download it as Microsoft Word, as open document format, rich text format, PDF document, plain text, web page or EPUB publication. Next is that secondly we can send it directly as an email attachment. For this you go to file and email as attachment. It can be sent as an attachment to the email ID whatever you fill here. Another important feature of this Google Docs is that you can publish it to the web as the web page. Just go to the file. Again I show it to you. Go to the file and click here publish to the web. So you can publish it as the web page. To share it with people, you will get a link and you can share this link with people with whom you want to share the document. For example, if you have prepared some study material and you can send the link to anyone, they can able to see the content which is published. Another very interesting feature of this Google Docs is voice typing. That is that if you want that whatever you speak should be typed automatically, for this you go to tools and click here on voice typing. Click on this button. Now whatever you speak will get typed. You see it has been now typed. You can type this in any language you want. So for this you again go to the tools, voice typing, and from here you select your language. This is English. Now suppose I want to do voice typing in Hindi. There are number of languages. So I select Hindi from here, these languages. Yes, here is Hindi. Now I type, click on this button and say Namaskar. आपका स्वागत है. And stop. Now it has been typed. So this is very important feature of the Google Docs. Another interesting feature of the Docs is that you can translate this document in any other language. For example, this is written in Hindi. I want to translate it in English. For this, you again go to Tools menu and select Translate Document. You can name this translated copy as translated copy of untitled document. I say it in English. I have renamed it this translated copy. Choose a language. So I have selected it in English and click translate. Now this document is translated in English. Hello, welcome. This was my original document which was in Hindi and this is the English translated document. Let us try to translate it in Punjabi. Again go to tools, select translate document and name this as document as Punjabi. translated copy of, say, Punjabi, of translated copy in Punjabi. Choose a language. This Punjabi. I have selected translate, and this document is translated to Punjabi. Hello, Swagat hai. This was my original document, which was in Hindi. This is its English version, and this is the Punjabi version. So, another feature of Google Docs is that you can directly type it in any language. For this, you go to File and select the language for typing. This is the language. Suppose I want to get my typing done in Hindi. So I will select the Hindi language from here. This will open. It will give me three options. Phonetic. Phonetic is that this is with English keyboard, and when I type the words, they will be translated into Hindi. For example, I type here आपका, a, p, का, k, आपका. So these English keys will be used as the Hindi, typing Hindi. Another thing you can do is that this in script can be taken. So this is the Hindi keyboard. So any person who knows the Hindi typing can work on these keys. Another tool is that you can type by drawing. This is drawing. So it's difficult. Aapka, a. So whatever you have drawn, you can select the correct word from here and it will get typed. So this is all about the Google Docs. Thank you.